Everyone, there are lots of mouse like wired mouse, Bluetooth mouse, and wireless mouse in the market. But today I'm going to show you Imis G5 2.4 GHz wireless mouse, which is actually rechargeable. And there is a lots of hassle, the battery in wireless mouse you have to install a battery, and after 1 month the battery again installing a new battery, so it's a hassle. So this rechargeable mouse is actually very comfortable. After you can charge around 20 minutes, and you can use this 15 days. Then again you can recharge. So it's very comfortable mouse, and this is a budget mouse, I will say, and I suggest you this mouse. So the Imis G5 wireless mouse comes with a simple design that works with every PC. Imis G5 wireless mouse has a 6 keys, 10 meter is working at distance. The product features stylish and ergonomic design, built-in rechargeable battery, high-speed transmission, 2.4G wireless transmitter, work with laptops and PC, mini receiver, USB 2.0 stored inside, intelligent power saving, compact and lightweight, easy to carry, provide a variety of colors to choose, and compatible with most systems. So let's unbox it. Imis G5 wireless mouse comes with a simple design that works with every PC. Imis G5 wireless mouse has 6 keys and 10mm is working distance, USB nano receiver interface. The mouse has a dedicated switch that gives you freedom of switching between 800, 1200 and 1600 dpi. This is 800, 1200 and 1600 dpi. Imis G5 wireless mouse supports Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows. This wireless mouse is applicable to professional wireless gaming equipment, laptop, desktop computer user. The Imis G5 comes with 1-year warranty, and its price is around $10. So we can say this is a budget rechargeable mouse. This is an on-off switch. Most of the rechargeable mouse open. If you want to open this, some people do a mistake. They will try this, but they will try this to open, but this is not the right way. The right way is this is the rechargeable battery. See, this is the rechargeable battery. And this is the Wi-Fi sensor. This is magnetic system. You can change the DPI. This is forward, back and forward. If you want to charge this, you can charge this on your laptop. This is weird, and it's also charging. You see, it's also charging from your laptop. So that's it from now. If you like this video helpful, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for your time.